superstar, she's been on a warpath through the women's division.
She has not backed down from any challenger that has stepped into the ring with her. It's that kind of attitude.
Referee in position.
She was hopeful going for the pin there.
Oh, this is not going to be good.
Oh, implant buster! Great awareness as she proves to be too quick. Able to elude it. Elbow underhook into the suplex. Oh man, a little extra luster behind that kick. Going airborne!
Springboard cross body. That was coming in hot at breakneck speed.
Going fast and living dangerously. Crash landing powerbomb.
No muss, no fuss on that delivery. Someone clearly doesn't want this match to go on much longer than it has to.
Put in position now.
A collision like that could mark a turning point for this entire match.
High-angle exploder suplex.
She's feeling it, and the WWE Universe is feeling it too. Ooh, I think she knocked her out.
She's taking some big hits here. She scores big with the counter. And misses on the springboard.
Just brutalizing their opponent with forearms to the side of the face.
And a slap, too. She was clearly waiting for that. Cut off with a kick to the gut.
These two trading counters, an absolute masterclass. Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
Got a grip. All the way up.
Down with a choke slam.
Goes into the pin. Two. And still hanging on.
At this point in the match, that could have gone either way.
She's getting back up, but she might be down again soon.
Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
Signed, sealed, and delivered.
And she's still in the game.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of. And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall.
Just unloading knees to the body.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. The powerbomb. Oh! Into the lung blower.
She might be in some trouble now.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of a match. Saw that coming.
Headbutt. Not done yet. Side suplex. Nice.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake. She adjusts it and reverses it. And suplex for the win. Two. Oh, what a kick out. How did she do that?
I can't believe it. The people can't believe it. I don't think the referee can believe it. Springboard.
Oh, straight to the floor.
A totally ill-advised decision there.
Maybe slight hesitation there caused the outcome.
Sequence of reversals here. Both superstars clearly studied game tape ahead of time. Reversals, reversals, and more reversals.
Gets put into the barricade. Right into the barricade.
We knew we were in for something special between these competitors, but they are taking things over their own limits.
Look at her stumble back up, probably seeing double vision.
Springboard drop kick. She's in a dangerous spot and could lose this.
Yeah, she is not looking good right now.
She wants to finish this. Clothesline. Avoided contact and brought a big attack of their own. Boom. Basement drop kick. target. Weighed and measured.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb into the low blower. Just like she envisioned. 2.
That was close.
It was almost all over for her. It does not get much closer to 3 than that.
And now it's reload time. Time to find another moment to pull out that one more time.
This is truly awesome.
No, she kicks out. What a match.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb into the low blower. Will that be the deciding factor?
No, she kicked out.
I do not know how you survive that.
Staying alive there is unheard of. And that result.
Near the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
It's all over but the crying. 2.
Not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
Escaping that pin must have taken almost everything she's got.
Well worth it. Look how frustrated her opponent is.
That was a great opportunity.
The superstar's locked in. The Fujiwara armbar. Is their opponent going to tap?
Looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little there.
She did her homework there.
The superstar's locked in.
Get to the ropes, forcing the break.
A lot of damage done, but the ropes offer a reprieve.
Just brutalizing their opponent with forearms to the side of the face.
Evading offense. Caught by the back of the elbow.
Quick exchange of counters.
Able to interrupt the attack. Springboard.
Just exhibiting their fearlessness.
Exhibiting guts and accuracy as well.
Returning to the ring now.
Half and half suplex. Lights out.
Hoping to end it here.
This is it.
And the rope saver there.
Listen.
Arm is grapevine. Trying to step through. Here it comes.
Tequila sunrise.
Oh, nowhere to go, nowhere to hide. Could be tap, tap time. Perhaps thinking something else here.
Not sure why, though, Michael. She seemed to have it really cinched in.
And another counter. Another reversal. Eye for an eye here. Sequence of reversals. Near the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
Stopped her. We might just be seconds away from the end.
2 count. Oh, she's still alive.
Wait, are we sure that was not a 3 count?
You can't count that high, Saxton, but that was one of the closest near falls you'll ever see.
The best shot was thrown, but it
Fujiwara armbar applied. It's a hyperextender elbow. Separates her shoulder.
and she's able to make it to the ropes to force the break.
Pivotal opportunity there.
Arm is grapevine. Trying to step through. Here it comes.
Tequila sunrise.
Is she gonna tap, 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 tap?
What does she have to do to get out of this?
Tap out.
And she lets her out of the submission.
I don't know if it's mercy or if it's someone who's not done playing with their prey. She's able to get out of the way.
Defenses are sharp in this series of reversals. Close fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break the move. Half and half suplex. Lights out. Up and...
She can't possibly come.
She certainly looked to be in trouble to me. Ooh.
Saw it coming and got out of there.
Caught with a punch.
She's pushed into the corner. Oh, look at the uppercut, the elbows, and
It's not over.
Tiger fake kick.
setting foot in the ring now.
Nice hip toss takedown. Great athleticism and a drop kick to finish.
Counters that.
Counter after counter. Targeting the body. Punch connects. Ooh. What a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
She's got an answer for that.
Knee to the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
So much brutality with that move tonight.
Yes, they will survive and pull through.